We're here at SLA Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, outside Nashville. Our phone number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at the 7x20 foot Dovetail utility trailer with 4-foot mesh sides. This does have your jack coupler safety chains, as well as your breakaway system. This does have the 4-foot mesh, as well as your built-in tie-down points. We have your diamond plate fenders. This does have 2 Greaseable 3,500-pound axles with brakes on the rear. Has your dovetail. Here we have your LED drive lights, reinforced rear loading gate, and back around this side. Once again, this is going to be the 7x20 foot Dovetail utility trailer with the 4-foot mesh sides. If you're interested in this trailer, give us a call at 615-641-7720.